Hello guys, I will be teaching you how to do tricks in Roblox parkour. We will do wall boost first. Look up in the air and turn and jump to wall boost. Now we are gonna do double wall boost. It's pretty much the same, but you do the wall boost 2 times. We will now do double wall run. First you need to wall run and then turn and wall run while turned. Now we will do stringing. You need to long jump and wall boost and do double wall run. Now we'll do height combo, which is very tricky for new people. You will need to double wall boost and wall kick. You can also jump from here to make it easier. There's a lot of useful stuff you can do with wall kick. That's the end of the video. Thanks to everyone that made it to the end. This is my second video.